Back to my channel. Today in this video I have ordered the Realme Narzo 90x 5G, and this is the first review of this mobile phone. As you can see, I have ordered from the Amazon. So now let's check it. You wanna know its battery, processor, display, resolution, rear camera, front camera, OS, durability. Then here we will know about its specification and features in detail. And here it's covered with this is our mobile phone, and here it's bill. So friends, here is our mobile phone Realme Narzo 90x. Let's open the box. And after opening the box, here you will get this mini box, and under it we are getting this manual guide, and here pin ejector, and you will also get this transparent stylish cover sweet case. And this is our mobile phone, and here you will get this adapter which is 80 watt, and this is the, as you know, cable wire. This is all the under the box. So let's keep this all on the side and check the mobile phone. If you look at the designs of this mobile phone, it's a little bit shiny and the phone looks quite premium, and the flush blue color really looks slimmer at the light. But friends, because it houses a 7000 mAh battery, the phone is a bit heavy. It's 212 gram and thick at 8.28 mm, and the hand feels like solid, but it's definitely bulky. There's a side mounted fingerprint scanner that is very fast, and yes, it comes with an IP65 rating, so you don't have to worry about minor water splashes. Its display is the 144 Hz refresh rate. Its smoothness versus the HD plus resolution. And if you scroll down and up like this, in this way, it's very smoothness. You will also get a large 6.8-inch LCD panel for content watching. The colors are quite good, and the 1200 nits peak brightness ensures the screen is visible even in direct sunlight. But if you are used to FHD plus screen, you might notice a slight lack of sharpness. And for the performance and gaming, its Dimensity is 6300, and if you play game like BGMI, Call of Duty or Free Fire, this is all the games. If its performance under the hood, we have the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G processor for daily tasks like WhatsApp, YouTube or Facebook or any of the apps, and multitasking, etc. This all types of apps, there's no issues at all. Regarding gaming, you can comfortably play BGMI at smooth plus ultra settings. The 144 Hz display makes the gaming experience very fluid. It also doesn't get uncomfortably not hot during long sessions. And the battery and charging, if we look at its battery, it's 7000 mAh battery. Friends, this is the battery that doesn't want to die with normal gaming. It will easily get you through a full day. The 80 watt charging takes the massive battery from 0 to full in about 1 hour and 20 minutes. It also includes a bypass charging feature, which is great for gamers as it prevents the phone from heating up while plugging. I would like to tell you friends that I will make on this video of battery drainage and charging test. I will also even compare this Realme Narzo to Realme P4X, which is good to buy. And if you look at the camera, here is the camera, and I would like to capture some image. This is the camera, and here is the portrait mode, and here is also more options like Pro, Harvest, Pano, Film, Slow-mo, Time Lapse, Dual Video, Text Scanner, and many other types of options. Night mode. Overall, the camera, as I have already told you, it's the quality visual. Its quality looks really amazing, very clear. As you can see it out, it's very lighted and it's slightly vibrant in typical Realme fashion. Low light also, even if you use the night mode, it does a decent job. And for selfie, there is an 8 megapixel camera which is just okay. I would like to recommend it for serious vlogging. Overall, considering the budget, the camera performance is solid. So my final verdict on Realme mobile phone, I mean on this Realme 90x phone: if you want a 5G phone where battery anxiety is non-existent and the display is super smooth, then the Realme Narzo 90x 5G is good. However, if you want a simple razor sharp screen or a very slim design, you might want to look at the Realme P1 or Realme Narzo 70 Pro. In my opinion, for heavy users, this is a fantastic value for money deal. What do you think about this phone? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.